नमस्कार। आप सभी का आयुष इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल एसोसिएशन स्टूडेंट फोरम में स्वागत है। आज हमारा तीसरा सेशन है। नमस्कार सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आयुष इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल एसोसिएशन का ये थर्ड सेशन है। फर्स्ट सेशन हमारा फ्यूल इन आयुर्वेदा वैद्य सनातन मिश्रा जी का था। सेकंड सेशन योगा एंड मिथ आयशा फातिमा जी का था। और आज का थर्ड सेशन डॉक्टर विहार बिडवे सर, जो कि हमारे आयुर्वेदा कमेटी के नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट है, लिप बाम प्रिपरेशन पे आज का वेबिनार होने वाला है। तो सर का परिचय मैं पहले देना चाहता हूँ। डॉक्टर विहार बिडवे सर, इनका एमएस जनरल सर्जरी में हुआ है और एमबीए इन हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज में, पीएचडी स्कॉलर इन सर्जरी एट डीवाई पाटिल आयुर्वेद कॉलेज एंड रिसर्च सेंटर पिंपरी पुणे। डॉक्टर विहार बिडवे सर, इनका बीएमएस कंप्लीट हुआ है जेएमएस आयुर्वेद महाविद्यालय पुसद में। सर ने अभी करंटली सर वर्किंग एज अ वाइस प्रिंसिपल एंड असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी जेएमएस आयुर्वेद महाविद्यालय में कर रहे हैं। और इसके बाद में सर साथ ही में करंटली सर जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ पुसद डॉक्टर एसोसिएशन, ट्रेजरर ऑफ आयुर्वेदा टीचर एसोसिएशन महाराष्ट्र, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ डॉक्टर बिडवेज कॉस्मेटिक्स, एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर एट बिडवे टेक्नोलॉजीज, कंसल्टेंट सर्जरी एट बिडवे नर्सिंग होम, member of NASYA, member of ACD TTA, past treasurer of Rotary Club of पुसद। सर सर ने एक बुक लिखा है जिसका फार्माकोलॉजी, आयुष ने इसको रिकॉग्नाइज किया है एज अ रेफरेंस बुक ऑफ एमएचएस बाय नासिक। सर एक कोऑर्डिनेटर है जर्नलिस्ट सर। सर के जर्नलिज्म में कोऑर्डिनेटर, एज अ कोऑर्डिनेटर भी सर ने काम किया है। सर ने रिटर्न मोर देन 20 आर्टिकल्स रिसर्च में। सर के बहुत सारे रिसर्च आर्टिकल है जो इंटरनेशनल पब्लिश भी है। सर ने रिसर्च पेपर भी पब्लिश किए हैं, नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल भी। और सर का टीचिंग में मोर देन 6 इयर्स का अनुभव है, जो कि बहुत ही है। सर आपका फिर से एक बार बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you. Thank you and welcome all of you for this session of lip balm preparation. I have chosen this topic of lip balm preparation as a basic topic. So from now we can start our interaction, and this is my aim to grow our Ayush International Medical Association and to support the student forum, and also for the development of the students, and also for generating the interest in Ayurveda. As we all know that now there is a situation of the corona, means it is a very worse situation. The classes are not going very well, and every means we are facing challenges uh, in uh, uh, in teaching and also attending the class, and it is very necessary to develop interest in Ayurveda. So for this we for this this is the introductory class by which we will just sow a seed of Ayurveda in everybody's mind, so they can means easily understand the concept and principles of Ayurveda, basic principle of Ayurveda by this method. As we know that lip balm, lip balm, we can get the reference of the lip balm lip balm preparation in Sikta Kalpana. Sikta Kalpana, you can see it in the text of Bhaishajya Kalpana, where we found the basic preparations of Sikta Kalpana by different methods. And Sikta Kalpana means Sikta Kalpana or lip balm. As we know that there are lots of lots of products from various companies or lip balm, and all the products are not herbal or organic, as they are made from different type of chemicals only. Only some companies are making this product 100% organic and herbal. So the base of this is Sikta Kalpana, in which we will have to collect some ingredients like uh, honeybee wax, then grita, go grita, then oil. We have to mix this in certain proportion, and we can add different type of colors accordingly, and different types of different types of essence also, or flavoring agent, which we can derive from either natural sources or essential oils. So if anybody is having any question regarding this, they can put it in message box, so I can answer it after the live demonstration or practical demonstration of the session. Okay, now we will see the live demonstration of how we can prepare lip balm.
लाइव सेशन हमारा फेसबुक पे भी लिंक अवेलेबल है, आपको शेयर की है लिंक, उस पे भी जाके आप देख सकते हो। सभी से विनंती है कि आप ध्यान से देखिए, प्रिपरेशन सर
Okay, you
बताने
can
वाले हैं।
see the ingredients. These are natural food grade color. This is one box for packing the lip balm. We need Gogrita ghee, which is 100 ml. This is sesame oil, which is 70 ml. This is strawberry essence. You can use strawberry essence, or you can use a natural flavoring agent, or you can also use essential oil for this purpose. We are using beeswax, which is 35 gram for the preparation of the lip balm. Now we have started the gas. Now we have to add oil. We have to add just the oil, and we have to keep the flame very mild. Now we are adding Gogrita, which is 100 ml. Now we are adding beeswax. You can use any type of beeswax, which is only hardening agent. We have to only wait till all the beeswax get dissolved in it. Now all the wax had got melt. Now we will add a little bit of food grade color in it. Hence we are making a strawberry lip balm, so we can add the oil base. Now we have to turn off the gas. You can add the color accordingly, or you can just keep it without color if you want natural lip balm. Now there is a trend of natural lip balm which is not having any color and which can be used for both male and females. Yes. Yeah. We have added strawberry essential oil in it as an flavoring agent and smelling agent. If you are using essential oil, then no need of using any other essence or color. Now our lip balm is ready and we are filling it in a container. You can wait until it get cool. Okay. You can use different type of colors, different type of flavoring agent. You can use different type of essential oils like mango, strawberry, guava. And essential oil is only flavoring agent, so no proportion of oil, or maximum it can be up to 2% to 5% of the total combination. For this we have simple measurements. We have to use 100 ml of ghee, 70 ml of sesame oil, 35 gram of beeswax, strawberry essence and color as per requirement. Yeah, for natural color, you can use beetroot extract also. It will be a good source and natural. But for stability, it will create some problem. If you are using it for home or for self only, then you can definitely use natural ingredients. But you have to use it for the means for long time or stability. You can use the beetroot, means you have to make the decoction of that beetroot, and you have to make the powder of that decoction, means you have to dry that powder, and after that you can only use it as an coloring agent, so it will be more stable. And you can see that we have not added any type of preservatives in it. It is naturally stable. Just see, it is looking very beautiful. The color is also very well, and I can feel the fragrance is also very good. If you want to prepare a, a now you can see that our lip balm is ready. The consistency is very good, and it will look like this. You can take any of the means any container, and you can label it accordingly. So I will repeat the procedure once again, because many of you were not joining the proper time. First, we have take the oil in the pan. Then we have added a cow ghee in that pan. Sesame oil was 70 ml, the ghee was 100 ml. It means all this was 170 ml. The beeswax was 35 gram. For this, we have added 35 grams of beeswax, strawberry essence in it, and we have means after complete dissolution of the wax, we have stopped the gas, and now we are filling it in the container. Okay. You can see
Thank you, sir.
this was a simple concept of Sikta Kalpana, which is already described in our second year text, but we are not aware of this. We can similarly do various type of lip balms. You can also make different type of pain killers, means painkiller balm or pain balm from this. The preparation is quite different, means little bit different, and by this method you will get 100% and 100% quality product, which you can give your patients. But just remind and just remember that if you want to give it to your patient, then you have to take care of Drug and Cosmetic Act. You can give it only to your patient, and it must be for private circulation only. You can't take this product for marketing purpose. You have to take special care for the marketing of the product.
सर एक
Any other
क्वेश्चन है
questions?
सर, वी हैव टू रेफ्रिजरेटर इट टू मेक इट स्टेबल.
Yeah, we
Question
have
है.
keep it. No, we don't want any refrigerator or anything to keep it stable. You can keep it at normal room temperature also. It is 100% stable at room temperature. As cow ghee is a main ingredient in this, you can use this by using 100% of cow ghee. You can make it by using some siddha tel. If you want to use it for cracked lips or any type of lip disease, then you can take the oil or take the grita, which has been made by the process means the process of grita preparation. You can take a Vranropana tel also if there is a disease which is affecting your lips. So you can use any type of the oil. Just remember the proportion. With the proportion you take, if you take it in proper proportion, then it will give always a good result. The cow ghee itself, it is a Vranropan and Vranshodhak also. So if you don't wish to take any any oil, then you can use or make this lip balm by using 100% herbal and organic cow ghee, and beeswax is also organic. So this product will be 100% organic and herbal, and
Sir,
which will not having any type of stabilizers. Some questions? Any questions?
sir, some students know about the cosmetology course.
There are different type of the cosmetology courses. If you students are interested in interested in cosmetology, then I will share the links of different courses, or we can take this type of this type of live seminars or webinars or workshop in regular basis, and every time I will teach you to make a good herbal and stable cosmetic product. This is only start for creating the interest among the students. There are lots of courses, but we remember that they are charging very high for this these simple products. You have to pay very high cost or charges. So and there is no use of that certificate in your day-to-day practice. So I suggest that don't go with any courses, or if you want to if you want to join for any courses, I will share you a proper and genuine link for the courses which are diploma courses recognized by various universities. So always select the course or choose the course which are recognized by university, not only certificate course, because certificate course are not that much useful. So if you are having any diploma courses, then it is good. And we are running institute, we are Vedarogyam, in which we are providing diploma for cosmetology, trichology, and there are various type of diplomas. Also for cosmetic and herbal preparations, we also guide for medical legal aspects or medical legal, or we also guide for packaging and for licensing also. So you can contact me, or you can put me any questions. I will answer your all queries in the group. Any other questions?
सर, कुछ क्वेरी है स्टूडेंट की. रजिस्ट्रेशन में बताया था, मार्केट में बिकने वाले लिप बाम से हर्बल लिप बाम ये कैसे अलग होता है?
Yeah, in the market, the lip balm which we get in market, there are various companies who are having low price and also very high price. You can see that if we use means with the oil which we have used, it is sesame oil. If you want to decrease the cost of that product, you have to use means rejected oil, that are palm oil, or you can use just Vaseline like product, means the product which are made from uh, petroleum jelly. So from petroleum jelly, the cost of petroleum jelly is very less. So the products which are trending in market now, they are made from petroleum jelly. And as we know that petroleum jelly we get it is from petroleum products which are very harmful. They are carcinogens which harm our skin. So I recommend don't use that product. You can use your own product, or this is the simple method I have shown you, and you can make this lip balm at your home only. The market preparation contains various type of carcinogens, parabens, then petroleum jelly. The wax also, they can use paraffin wax or other wax, which we are using beeswax. So this is the difference, basic difference, that the for cutting the cost, the the companies are using the product which are not having that much quality of the product, or they are not taking the means they will not take care of proper proper of our skin also. They are not good for our skin.
Sir, one question for student. Can we use natural drug powder as a flavoring agent like chandan?
Yeah, you can use, but for lip balm, the chandan is not that much good, because we can't eat that means, or we walk, or we, it is not good to apply chandan lip balm. If anybody's wish, then he can certainly use chandan. We can use different other products like rose, mango, orange, strawberry, banana. There are various type of fruits
Yes, sir.
of which you can use means you can use the directly essence of that product or essential oil of that. If you are using essential oil, then it will be very good to your skin also, and it will be required very few quantity also. If you are using artificial coloring agent and artificial agent, then it will not be that much good.
Sir, from where would we get bee wax?
You can get it from any Ayurvedic shop, Ayurvedic medicine shop, or there are certain distributors. You can contact me for that. I will reply you. Surely, I will reply you. For that, I will place my number in the comment box. You can contact me. I will I will tell you about that, from where you get that ingredients, proper ingredients. Any other questions?
सर, एक क्वेश्चन है, अगर हमें मार्केट से लिप बाम खरीदना हो तो क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स होने चाहिए?
Yeah. If you want to buy any lip balm, then first see the ingredients of that lip balm. If we have to avoid the stabilizers like parabens, methyl parabens, then sodium benzonate. These are stabilizing agent, and also these are preservatives. So avoid that products which are having high number of or high level of preservatives, because any preservative which is used for this type of products are carcinogens. So always see that the product are contain the product which you are buying from the market should have doesn't have the artificial colors and parabens and other preservatives. It should be normally preservative free.
Any special precautionary measures keep in mind before making any formulation at home?
Just the precautions are that you should maintain proper hygiene while preparing the products, because if you not maintain that much of the hygiene while preparing the product, there will be fungus like growth on the product, and the product will not get that much stable. So I advise you that if you want to make it make any product, then uh, just make it in means few quantity only, lower quantity only, the quantity which you want or you require. Just make product according to that requirement only. So they will be more stable, and it will be good, and the product which you are making will always be fresh. Any other questions?
How many times we can apply it in a day?
You can apply it number of times, since it is a natural product, so you can apply it many times, but just take care of the dust. Means if you are applying it in morning and if you are going outside, then the dust will get sticking to it, and it will affect on your lips also. You can use any type of oil if you are having problems like infection of the lips, or infection or cracked lips. You can use a Vrunropen oil, but I always advise that use cow ghee. The use of the cow ghee is always better, as it is a best Vrunropak and best Vrun Shohan also. So it is good, but you can for enhancement of the result, you can use Vrunropen oil or anything, any Siddha oil for the preparation of that this lip balm. You can change any oil according to your need. Any other
For
question?
webinar certificate, student get the link on your WhatsApp group.
I am also
जिन्होंने भी
sharing my
registration
number,
किया है,
contact number. If anybody is having any queries regarding this, so we can, so I can help them, or I can answer them. If you wish to learn more about the lip balms and pain balms and that, we can arrange another session for the same.
yes sir.
And we are planning in the coming months that this session should be arranged or organized on weekly basis for different topics or for herbal preparation, cosmetological preparation, and uh, other Ayurvedic preparations also. So we connect with IMA, means be a member of IMA and connect with our student forum or our teachers forum or our doctors forum. We are having doctors forum of Ayush International Medical also. So for practitioner, it is we will share provide you the links. It is free. You can join IMA also, or if you are student, you are feeling any difficulty in related to your studies or any subjects, or studies of any of your subjects, then you can surely contact us. We will definitely help you in the studies. If you require supports like ebooks or PDFs, then we will certainly surely provide you that support. If anybody is getting any difficulties in studies or in academics, then you can call anytime or you can message anytime. We are here to solve your problem. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, last question. What is
Yes.
the aim of IMA?
The aim of IMA is to provide a platform, general platform for the student for their development. As we all know that the syllabus of CCM is same all over India, but we always see that the students are facing some difficulties in learning. Some of the private institutions, there are no colleges, no lectures are there. So means, as we see that the interest of the student is not in learning the Ayurveda or basic principle of the Ayurveda. That's why many of the students uh, start practicing allopathy medicine or modern medicine after completion of the BMS. The main motto of the IMA is to help the student for for developing the practice in Ayurveda and developing their interest towards the Ayurveda. We will surely give a good platform to develop their Ayurvedic practice, and uh, Ayurvedic practice and Ayurvedic drugs are also having very good result and instant result. Now in this period of pandemic, I personally have treated more than 200 patients of COVID with 100% of Ayurvedic medicine only. They have not taken any allopathy drug for any purpose. We myself, I have more than 78 preparations which are exclusively made in my clinic for my patients. So I will share and help others also to develop their practice to and also to develop their interest in Ayurveda. Just keep faith on Ayurveda. You will surely get success and more success in practice. Also, we are having various type of groups which in which we are providing the vacancies information with free of cost. We are not taking any charges from anybody for the placements. We just post vacancies in our groups, different groups. We are having more than 25 groups which in which we provide vacancies to teachers also, to private practitioner also, plain BMS person, vacancy for RMOs, vacancies for assistant professors, vacancies for MO, vacancies for therapist also. So we are giving the platform to develop yourself. So I request humbly to all students that keep tuned and keep in touch with IMA and IMA activities. And if you wish to continue these types of session from different type of the teachers from all over India, we our aim is to provide basic Ayurveda information and knowledge to each and every student of all the states in India and abroad also. One who wish to learn basic things, we will definitely help them, and we will definitely help them to set their practice also.
Ayush International,
Any other questions?
Ayush
Yes.
International Medical Association registration link available at IMA page bio.
Any other questions, please? If you are having any questions, you can keep it in the group. I will answer that questions. Okay, should we leave now? Okay, thank you.
Sir, please share Gmail.
Yeah, I will share my Gmail also, and my personal number also with the students in the group, and also in the
Yes, sir.
comment box. Comment box में डालना। So- so- Okay, Bhushan,
Yes, sir. Thank you
we
so
will
much, sir.
stop. Yeah, thank you. Welcome.
सभी स्टूडेंट ने पेशेंटली इस सेशन को देखा, सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ऐसे ही आयुष इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल एसोसिएशन स्टूडेंट फोरम के साथ आप जुड़े रहिए। आयुष इंटरनेशनल मेडिकल एसोसिएशन स्टूडेंट फोरम मेंबरशिप के लिए आपको बायो में जाना है, बायो में लिंक है, लिंक में जाके आप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं। सभी स्टूडेंट का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।